Hey everybody, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another video of one tool a week. If you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. So if you love tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What is it that we're going to be taking a look at? Well, we're going to change it up a little bit. I am going to start probably camping with the family. So we're going to be taking a look at some camping tools. So with that being said, guys, the first thing that I went ahead and purchased is going to be this puppy right here. Now this is going to be the Stanley Wildfare Core Full Service Cook Set, which is going to be a set of 26. This is going to be the box that it comes with, everything around it. It's going to have everything that's inside, and of course it's going to be all stainless steel. It's going to be lifetime warranty, BPA free, dishwasher safe, etc. and etc. on that. I'll go ahead and leave the link to it at the bottom, but this is it. Now let's go ahead and slide it open. Now this set alone is going to set you back for $90, which is a tad bit pricey. But again, I have a family of 4, so it's going to suit for 4. The only thing that it does not come with is going to be the saucepan, which I'll end up picking up later on. But let's go ahead and open this up. This is how it's going to come packaged with everything. And let's pick this baby. And nothing else in the box. Let's verify. Let's see if anything else comes in. Nope. This is everything. Let's go ahead and throw that over there. And here you're going to have it. So this is going to be the setup. Now this is going to be the first item, which is going to be a cook pot. Now the pot's going to be 4 quarts or 3.7 liters. And of course it's going to have your measurements on the side. Let me see if we could zoom in and take a look at it. That way you could see. There you go. There's your measurements. And of course you're going to have the nice Stanley brand. So let's go ahead and zoom back out and see. Now you are going to get a lid, and it's going to come with a cover. Let's slide this up. This is going to be a nice little strap to hold everything in place, so it's not jumping all over. So let's go ahead and open up the second item. Now the second item is going to be the actual lid. Now the lid's actually a straightener also, in case you got to remove some, if you're cooking some pasta, noodles, whatever the case is, and you got to drain it out. You're able to drain it through these ports right here, and of course you're going to have a venting port back here as well. So this is going to be the third one. You're going to see the instructions of everything that comes lined up, and that way everything goes exactly the same way, which is pretty neat, very nice to have. Now let's go over there, and of course this is going to be your strap that it comes with. So let's put this over here to the side. The next item that we're going to see, let's see what we got. So the next items that we're going to get is, put that over here, is going to be a frying pan. So this is going to be the frying pan that it comes with. You're going to attach it, and to lock it, you're going to have it on this section. That way it locks it, which is very nice. This is going to be the frying pan, which is going to be almost the same size as the cooking pot, and that way you could heat up your eggs and stuff for your family. It's going to be 1 quart, so keep that in mind. You're going to go ahead and slide it over, and then once you slide that piece, you're able to twist it in, and it's going to be able to fold. So this is going to be the second item that it's going to come with. Let's see here. Let's see what we got on this side. Let's pull the things on the top, which are on here. Next up, you're going to get these attachments. These are going to be some forks that you could attach. Let me pull them out. You slide them forward, and then after that you could connect them from the back. Once you connect them, you're going to see that they attach. Once they attach, you're going to have a spoon or a fork that you're able to use. It's going to come with a total of 4 of them, and you just pop it in. Once you push it in, you're able to pop it out, and then it has the connections back here. Let me see if I could slide these onto the side so you can get a better viewing. Alrighty then, let's see. You can see that it has a sliding, and all you do is just slide it forward, and it's going to attach to itself. I'm going to put it on top of the frying pan, and you're going to get a total of 4 of these sets. So let me see here. That's 2. That's the second one. Let me zoom back out. And let me see here. What else do we got? This is the third one. And of course the fourth one. So here you're going to have it. Now we're going to set them to the side. The next one that you're going to get is going to be a couple of handles. And I put that over here. And those handles are going to feed this right here, which is going to be a spatula. And you can connect the spatula. There you go. We're going to have one spatula. And then with the other one is right here, it's going to be a serving spoon. Just like that up top. And this is going to be our serving spoon. So you're going to have these two other utensils that you're able to use for cooking and stirring up. And of course, you just push it in the back and they're going to connect from there. Put them off to the side. And the same thing with this one. You just go ahead and push it and it's going to slide out. So we're going to have those that they're going to come with. Now let's open up the next set. The next set that it's going to come with is going to be bowls. We are going to get four 16-ounce bowls. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're able to serve if you're eating some cereal, whatever the case is, oatmeal, heating up some soups, anything like that. You're able to serve them up on these nice little bowls. That's going to be another item that it comes with. Let's go on. Let's keep on going. Comes with some instructions, and of course you're going to get some plates. These plates, you're going to get a total of 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 plates, very nice. These are going to be 7-inch plates that you're able to serve. So let's go ahead and slide these over to this. And last but not least, you're going to get these sets. These 2 sets. One's going to be like a coaster for the heating. That way you can place it on top. And then you're also going to get a nice cutting board that you're able to use. Super nice, super convenient. The total for this set's going to set you back at $90. And let's go ahead and put everything back together. That way we know how everything's going to go. And there you're going to have it, guys. Everything's going to be compact in this little pot right here, and it's all going to be nice and portable. Now the nice thing about it is that you're able to break everything down. Super nice. Now it's not going to be light if you're doing single hiking or stuff like that. I might want to reconsider having something else, but since I'm going to be traveling in the vehicle and having everything in the vehicle, this is perfect for the family. Let me know what you're using as far as cooking utensils. That way I could add it to the list, or maybe come up with some other items to come up with on this. But for now, this is going to be our starter, our cooking pots and cooking utensils and stuff like that, and of course serving plates. As always, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below, and thank you all for watching. One tool a week, guys.